Hey everyone, this is Aubrey Morgan with my Cool Tool presentation on Edmodo. Edmodo is an online educational tool that engages 21st century students in their learning through their own medium. To get started, you just have to create an account according to if you're a teacher, a student, or a parent. The account is free. In addition to having Edmodo on a laptop or a desktop, you can also get Edmodo as an app or on your tablet. Makes it very, very convenient. So I've already created an account as a teacher. I'm going to go up here to log in. The first page you come to is the home page. Notice how much it looks like the popular social site Facebook. This makes students more familiar with the website and probably more knowledgeable about its features. So I'm going to take just a minute and go over the basic features of the home page. You have your groups up here. Notice I've already created a group that says Miss Morgan's Biology Group. That's my sample class. You can manage different groups. You can create more groups if you have more than one class you want to add to Edmodo. And you can join groups from here. One cool feature is this topics feature. You can find different topics in education and you can follow those posts just like you would follow somebody on Facebook. You can follow those posts. I've followed project-based learning posts. Just gives me a little bit of information about whatever I'm following. So I'm going to go in here and click on my group. Again, this is for my 9th grade biology class. You can see that I've already added some posts such as announcements. Here's my first announcement welcoming everybody to my class, announcing my first unit on genetics. I've also posted an assignment. It's assignment number 1. You can very easily post assignments through Edmodo. You can set a due date. You can see which students have turned it in. And you can attach files such as Word files, anything you want to attach. Another feature is you can take polls. It's just a neat feature of it. I have polled my essential question for my class. Biology is a part of everyday life and can it be applied in the real world? I just wanted my students to answer true or false, just to see what they kind of thought. So you can do all of that from the very top of your groups page. You can type a new note. You can type out a new assignment, set the due date. You can even type out a quiz and have students take quiz online. It's quick and easy. There's how you make a poll. In addition to any announcements and any assignments that I come up with, I can also find lessons created by other teachers through the Spotlight function. The Spotlight function is up here. I have already gone through and searched for a spotlight that fits my class, and I found it right here. It's called Sesame Street Genetics. So I've already assigned it to my class, and all they have to come do is click on the link, and it leads them straight to what the assignment that I need them to do. So they're going to come in here, and all they're going to have to do is click on download. And there is their assignment. They're going to download it, and I wanted them to do it for homework. So this makes it easy for students to know where their homework is at. It makes them easy to access it. It's cutting out on notebooks and books and paper and all sorts of stuff. So another feature on this site is the App Store, and you see that right here. So I'm going to go to the App Store real quick just to show you. It's like any other App Store on your phone or anything. You can find apps based on subject. All you have to do is search for it. Now I've already gone through and searched for an app, and I've already downloaded it. So it's going to be right here on the Apps Launcher, and it's called CK through 12 Science Practice. So it's super easy to use. That's why I really liked it, and it's based off science. All I have to do is come in here and click on my life science and molecular biology. And all of these are questions based off of genetics. I've already assigned a couple of these. All I had to do is click assign, and it pops up in my group. I'll show you where it's at. There it is. That is the assignment from the app I have made. I also made an announcement to make sure my students didn't forget about the assignment in the app. It's quick, it's easy, it's all right there for students to use. So I've created a sample student as well, and I'm going to show you what the student sees. So this is what the student will see. Again, it looks just like Facebook. I have created a fake student to add to my fake class. And so all they're going to have to do is come in here and click on their group, and they can view every one of their assignments. There's their homework, there's the assignment 1, and here are my posts. And that's all they have to do to see it. In addition to all of the assignments, they have their own profile page. And you can see I set up a little avatar for my student. They can upload any picture they want. They can say a little bit about them, how they like to learn, and some of their career goals. They can also come over here and see my profile. Here you can briefly see that I have chosen to post my office hours and my email just so the student can have another way to get in touch with me if they need to. And that is the basics of Edmodo. I hope you all learned a lot.